Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert graph in LibreOffice Calc. So for example, we have here data that we want to insert on graph. So we need to select this data, and after that we need to click on the icon Insert Chart. And now Chart Wizard window will be successfully displayed here. I recommend you to check if the data range is selected correctly here. On default it is set to data series in columns, and we have selected here first row as label because we have here X and Y columns names. So now I recommend you to go back to chart type, and we need to choose here a chart type that we want to use. So I recommend you to select line or XY chart type. So let's check the preview of these charts. Maybe let's select here line, and now you can check how it looks. So I will show you maybe different types of charts. You have here points and lines. You have here lines only, or you can use 3D lines. Everything depends on your preferences. But if you will select here XY scatter, you will be able to select here lines only, points and lines, and the points only. So in my opinion, the best option is line and points and lines. So if you have selected the chart that you want to use, I recommend you to select here Finish button. And after that, the graph will be successfully inserted here. So in this way you can create it in LibreOffice Calc. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.